Greeley Furnace knows how important a reliable air conditioner is for Greeley summers. If your AC is struggling, it might be time to consider a replacement instead of another repair. Watch for these warning signs: an air conditioner over 15 years old, frequent breakdowns, rising energy bills, uneven cooling, or strange noises and odors. If your system uses R22 refrigerant, repairs are getting expensive and parts are harder to find. These are all clear indicators your air conditioner may be nearing the end of its useful life. A new air conditioner offers impressive advantages. Better energy efficiency means lower bills, more consistent comfort throughout your home, and reduced environmental impact thanks to eco-friendly refrigerants. Many new systems also feature smart technology for precise temperature control and can even boost your home's resale value. Remember the $5,000 rule. Multiply the repair cost by your AC's age. If the total exceeds $5,000, replacement often makes more sense. Out-of-warranty systems can also become money pits. For honest advice and fast professional service, call Greeley Furnace at 970-356-0121. Schedule your assessment today and stay cool with confidence.